Good morning and welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. Clear skies out there this morning, and that should remain the case as we go throughout the day as high pressure is in control, and the next couple days should be relatively clear as well, and not expecting much in the way of precip. If we take a look at the current surface analysis, we can see that high pressure dominating over the eastern part of the U.S., and that should remain in control until this next frontal system kind of drags that cold front through our area as we get into uh, the weekend. Take a look at the current satellite and radar out there. We see things are nice and clear. Some clouds off to our southeast, but it's a ways off there, off the coast near the Outer Banks. Winds pretty calm and variable this morning. We will see them pick up a little bit out of the south-southeast as we go throughout the day today, but again fairly light for the most part. Looking at the short-term high-resolution model, as again we're expecting dry conditions to continue throughout the next couple days. We do see that little a weak cold front kind of move through towards our area as we move into Thursday evening, but expect it to be dry and not bring us anything in the way of precip, maybe a slight cool down, but again clear throughout the next couple of days into Friday. So if we take a look at the current conditions as of 8 this morning, again clear skies. We did have slightly reduced visibilities down to 4 square miles this morning, but that should be coming up as some of that mist kind of clears out of here. Winds are out of the southeast at 4 knots, but again they're kind of variable at the moment, but we should see them become more southeasterly and pick up a little bit as we go throughout the day. Temperatures was at 34 degrees and relative humidity at 93%. Looking at the 24-hour weather risk chart, clear throughout the day today. We do have a chance of some high clouds building in the overnight hours. Should see a high of around 50 degrees today, and then as we get into the evening hours, depending on how those high clouds build in, we could see a low around 35, 36. Winds again could pick up and be a few breezes up to about 13 knots, but not expecting much in the way of winds. South-southeast, 5 to 10 knots, and then become more south-southwest as we go into the overnight hours. Green for weather risks across the board today, and tides are at about normal. Looking at the next couple days, much of the same, kind of a stagnant pattern we have for at least the next 2 days. We'll see partly cloudy skies tomorrow. Again, pretty mild day, high of 54. Could see the winds pick up a little bit in the afternoon, so we do have a yellow color for the wind risk for wind advisories. Those winds will back off as we go into Thursday night, and we could see partly cloudy skies and some cool conditions, low of about 35. And as we move into Friday, much of the same, another partly cloudy and mild day, and we could see a little bit of the breeze pick up in the afternoon as well. So we do have that yellow category for the wind advisory risk. Well, that wraps up your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. with an update and look at the extended forecast. Have a nice day.